SPSS ANOVA Test. A hospital wants to know how a homeopathic medicine for depression performs in comparison to alternatives. They administered 4 treatments to 100 patients for 2 weeks and then measured their depression level. Xander's BDA group readings: minimal, mild, moderate, and severe depression. Medicine: none, placebo, homeopathic, pharmaceutical. Now data view. Xander, BDI group, medicines. Readings are given for total of 100 patients. Now analysis, descriptive statistics, explore. Shift BDI score to dependent list. Statistics, confidence interval 95%, plots, histogram, normality plots with test. Options, exclude cases list-wise. Press OK. Tables for case processing summary, descriptives, test of normality, and histogram is displayed. Here n equals to 100. So we can use Shapiro-Wilk test for testing normality. The mean and the median used to describe central tendency. With a normal distribution, the mean is equals to the median. In our case, mean is approximately equals to median. Approximately equals to median. Skewness is a measure of the asymmetry of probability distribution. Here skewness value is minus 0.101. Skewness between minus 2 and plus 2 is consistent with the normal distribution. Kurtz's is a measure of whether the observation cluster around the mean of the distribution or in the tails of the distribution. Here Kurtz's value is minus 0.624. Kurtz's between minus 2 and plus 2 is consistent with the normal distribution. As n equals to 100, we can use second part of the test, Shapiro-Wilk. We can accept the null hypothesis as p-value is 0.445. Here null hypothesis is data is normally distributed. Normally distributed. So p-value is 0.445, which is greater than 0.05, which implies H0 is accepted, which implies data comes from normal distribution. running ANOVA in SPSS. General linear model, univariate, dependent variable, BDI score, fixed factors, medicine administrated, contrast, medicine, post hoc, medicine, and Turkey. Then options, homogeneity test, which includes Leven's test for equal variances in our output, press OK. Leven's test checks if the population variances of BDI for the 4 medicines groups are equal, which is a requirement for ANOVA. Dependent variable, PAX, depression, inventory score, BDI score. Here p-value is 0.949. So we do not reject the null hypothesis of equal variances or homogeneity. P-value is greater than 0.05, which implies variances are all equal. So ANOVA assumption is met by our data. Or homogeneity. Our null hypothesis is that for ANOVA test, population means are equal for all medicines administered. Here p-value is 0.000, which is less than or equals to 0.05. So we reject this hypothesis. The population means are not all equal. Some medicines result in lower mean BDI score than other medicines. H0 is rejected. Population means are not equal. This is a result of ANOVA hypothesis. The different medicines administered account for some 39% of the variances in the BDI score. 39% of the variances in the BDI score. This is the effect size as indicated by partial eta squared. Now SPSS ANOVA output multiple comparisons Turkey test. We only conclude that our 4 population means being equal is very unlikely. So exactly which mean differs from which mean? A very first line tells the mean difference is significant at 5% level. Here in this case, none, and placebo has different BDI scores. means none has mean BDI score of 6.7 points higher than the placebo, which is quite a lot. Actually, since BDI scores can range from 0 through 63. None has BDI score of 6.7 points higher than placebo. As a rule of thumb, significant value is less than 0.05 indicates a statistically significant difference between two means. Here placebo and homeopathic having p greater than 0.05. In these two cases, equal means not rejected. For placebo and homeopathic and placebo, equal means not rejected. So these are the results of ANOVA test as p-value is greater than 0.05. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.